in a script, one Khatarnak script written and directed by Anand, and to be shot by Santana, and to be working along Marine.
Like even with Vikram, like he was popular like all over India, like with all the films that he did. He never had a language barrier. So I saw Vijay like that. I was like, he's somebody who'll be appreciated in any industry. And the Tamil film industry, even Arjun Reddy, like worked really well in Chennai.
With the young sensation Arjun Reddy, Vijay Deverakonda. I got a chance to work with him about 2 months back, for the Holi song.
అన్నీ చాలా తొందరగా అయిపోతున్నాయి. సడన్లీ అంటే ఒక బైలింగ్వల్ సినిమా చేస్తున్నా. మొన్నే యాక్టింగ్ స్టార్ట్ చేసినట్టు అనిపిస్తుంది. అండ్ ఐఎమ్ రియలీ ప్రౌడ్ టు బీ ప్రౌడ్లీ ప్రెజెంటెడ్ బై జ్ఞానవేల్ రాజా గారు అండర్ ద స్టూడియో గ్రీన్ బ్యానర్ ఇన్ మై ఫస్ట్ తమిళ్ తెలుగు బైలింగ్వల్ ఇన్ అ స్క్రిప్ట్, వన్ ఖతర్నాక్ స్క్రిప్ట్ రిటన్ అండ్ డైరెక్టెడ్ బై Anand, and to be shot by Santana, and to be working along Marine.
Second time.
Second time. ఆల్రెడీ ఒక సాంగ్ చేసినాం, మళ్ళీ ఇప్పుడు పని చేస్తున్నాం. సో ఐఎమ్ రియలీ ఎక్సైటెడ్ అండ్ లుకింగ్ ఫార్వర్డ్ టు దిస్ ఫిల్మ్. మజా వస్తుంది. కానీ నిజం చెప్పాలంటే నాకు ప్యాక్ అవుతుంది విపరీతంగా. అంటే ఎక్కడెక్కడ ఎట్లెట్లా ప్యాక్ అవుతుంది అని చెప్పలేను. ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఫీవర్ వచ్చినట్టు అనిపిస్తుంది. సేమ్ ఈ ఫీలింగ్ నాకు 10-12 years బ్యాక్ బోర్డ్ ఎగ్జామ్ రాసే ముందు అలాంటి ఫీలింగ్ ఉంది. ఎందుకంటే ఫస్ట్ టైం తమిళ్ కూడా అటెంప్ట్ చేస్తున్నా కాబట్టి. బట్ అంటే ఒక్కొక్కసారి ఎందుకురా నీకు కష్టాలు అనిపిస్తుంది, నీకు అవసరమా ఇదంతా అనిపిస్తుంది. కానీ ఏమన్నా ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ సంథింగ్ బిగ్, ఐ థింక్ యూ జస్ట్ నీడ్ టు జంప్ ఇన్. అండ్ లైఫ్ షార్ట్, సో యూ నీడ్ టు టేక్ సమ్ రిస్క్స్. బట్ ఫ్రమ్ ద టైమ్ ఫస్ట్ టైం జ్ఞాన్ గారు టోల్డ్ మీ ద స్క్రిప్ట్ అండ్ హీ వాజ్ రియలీ ఎక్సైటెడ్. అప్పుడు టైం కూడా లేదు నా టైం లైన్లో, కానీ స్క్రిప్ట్ వినగానే జరిపేసిన 3 months ఇది ఎట్లయినా చేయాలని. ఐ లైక్ ద స్క్రిప్ట్ సో మచ్. అండ్ వన్ రియలీ యంగ్ టీమ్ విత్ సంతానా. అంటే డిఓపి అని కూడా పూజారి కూడా నమ్మలేదు డిఓపి ఎవరు అని ఎత్తుకుతున్నారు పక్కనే ఉంటే. సో అండ్ విత్ ఆనంద్ అండ్ విత్ జ్ఞాన్ అండ్ విత్ మెరీన్, ఐ థింక్ ఇట్స్ గోయింగ్ టు బి రియలీ ఫన్. అండ్ వీ స్టార్ట్ షూట్ ఆన్ ద 8th. We are starting shoot on the 8th. ఫస్ట్ షెడ్యూల్ చెన్నైలో చేసి నెక్స్ట్ షెడ్యూల్ హైదరాబాద్లో చేస్తున్నాం. సో ఐఎమ్ లుకింగ్ ఫార్వర్డ్ టు దిస్. ఈరోజు వచ్చిన గెస్ట్స్ అందరూ ఇండస్ట్రీ సీనియర్స్ పెద్దలందరికీ బిగ్ థ్యాంక్స్. అరవింద్ గారు వచ్చారు. అరవింద్ గారితో 2 సినిమాలు చేస్తున్నాను. అరవింద్ గారు, బివిఎస్ఎన్ ప్రసాద్ గారు దే హ్యాండెడ్ ఓవర్ ద స్క్రిప్ట్. దాన్ని ఏమంటారు, ఏమన్నా పేరు, క్లాప్ అరవింద్ గారు చేశారు. స్విచ్ సైడ్ ఉన్నారు. సందీప్ రెడ్డి వంగ స్విచ్ ఆన్ చేశాడు. మా డైరెక్టర్ ఆనంద్ యాక్షన్ కట్ చెప్పారు. అండ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ టు ఆల్ ద వంశీ అన్న వచ్చారు. అండ్ మై 3 మూవీ మేకర్స్ హూ ఐమ్ వర్కింగ్ విత్, లైక్ ఎవ్రీ వన్, కేఎస్ రామారావు గారు, బివిఎస్ఎన్ ప్రసాద్ గారు, అండ్ ఎవ్రీ వన్ ఎల్స్ హూస్ కమ్ హియర్. థ్యాంక్స్ టు ఆల్ ఆఫ్ దెమ్. అండ్ లైక్ ఐ సెడ్, టైం చాలా ఫాస్ట్గా గడిచిపోతుంది. ఇప్పుడు ఇట్లా టెన్షన్తో మాట్లాడుతున్నాం, బట్ బిఫోర్ వీ నో ఇట్ ఐఎమ్ షూర్ విల్ ఆల్రెడీ బి డూయింగ్ అ ప్రెస్ మీట్ వేర్ వీఆర్ ప్రమోటింగ్ ద ఫిల్మ్. I hope that time everyone else speaks also, and I hope that by then you're happy with what.
This is the first straight film for Studio Green in Telugu, and I thank Vijay brother for giving this opportunity to produce the first film here, straight film in Telugu, and very much excited about working with Anand Shankar brother. I saw all his films, two films, Ariman MB and Irumugan with actor Vikram, and it's a kick-ass film, and it's a good journey which has started here, and very happy to have Mehreen on board. First time we are working with her, and looking forward, and brother Shanta, youngster, and experience wise very senior because he has done 3 languages. This is the 4th language he is doing. So very happy to be working with him, and art director Kiran, he's already worked with Tana Sendakutam gang with Surya in our banner, and very happy to be associated with him for the second time, and looking forward today. All ceremony, puja ceremony was very pleasant and nice, and I thank on this occasion that present media, that whatever support you have given till now, we are expecting the same support for this film, and hope that this film turns out to be a super hit. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
This is the second time I'm here for like a proper press meet after Irumugan's Inkokudu, which released here. And the same thing I wish that time was like I really wanted to speak in Telugu, but I've been like trying and all that. It's pretty hard, but I love the industry here, and that's the reason why I was telling Vijay also, now like Tamil and Telugu has become so close to each other, and in fact it's gone on a national level where language is not a barrier. So I was like, let's make a film which is both Telugu and Tamil, and I was narrating the script and all that. And with him, I've seen both of his movies, and when I watched Pelli Choopulu itself, I was like, wow, this is like a beautiful film, and he's done a great job. And with Arjun Reddy, he went to a different level. Like everybody knew that, and I was like, someone like that would be appreciated anywhere. Like even with Vikram, like he was popular like all over India, like with all the films that he did. He never had a language barrier. So I saw Vijay like that. I was like, he's somebody who'll be appreciated in any industry. And the Tamil film industry, even Arjun Reddy, like worked really well in Chennai. That people, the moment they came to know that Vijay Deverakonda is going to be a part of a Tamil Telugu film, they were also excited and they were looking forward to good cinema, So I'm really glad to be working with him, and I'm looking forward to it. So it's a crazy character. He's gonna rock that. Producer sir, Gnanavel sir has been. I have been in touch with him for a very long time. Like after the first film got over, we used to meet, and second film got over, we used to meet. And I put on so much weight because of him only. Because so many lunches, so many dinners we've had. So I have always liked his work because he's a big producer. He does so many films in Tamil. And for me, I've been wanting to work with him, and I'm very happy that this just came along and it came together. With Mehreen, like I spoke to her and like narrated and all. Like I've seen one of her films like half here and there, and I really thought she's performed so well. And everybody that you speak to in Andhra, when you have a conversation, they're like, wow, she's good, she's doing a good job. So I'm really glad to be having that kind of a team. It's all about positivity at the end of it. And I have great technicians with me. Like Kiran sir is a very big art director. He's done all like big films back in South, like with director K.V. Anand, Selvaraghavan, Vignesh Shivan. I mean, the line is just so long. So after 2 films only, now I get a chance to work with him. So that is going to be really good. Santa has been a friend. Like he was a kid that time. I used to hang out with him. He is DOP Ravi K. Chandran's son. So Ravi sir is the one who brought me into cinema in the first place. He gave me the opportunity to work as an AD somewhere. And now I am working with him, and both of us are like working together. So it feels really good. We have a great team with Shravya also. She's doing a great job. She's the stylist of the film. So the team and everything is beautiful. So I'm looking forward to the shoot. I think audiences from Tamil and Telugu would love it. We're working towards it. Thank you so much for coming here. Yeah, thank you. So I gave him the scene paper 1 month back. See, it's generally pretty rare for directors to have the whole script like 2 months before and all. But I had it luckily. So he's been working with somebody who has the script ready. So 1.5 months before I gave him the script and all, I'm like, so this is the script, these are the lines. So everybody reads those lines. and memorize it like how I used to learn my old Hindi poems in school and come and say that like during shoot. He's like, no, I'm going to learn Tamil. I'm like, girl, you're going to learn Tamil. And then he has a tutor, so that person is always coming over, and that person is. So the way he looks at things itself, I should say that he is somebody where he says on shoot, I don't want to feel that I am a Telugu person, right? And if I had known Tamil, would I be able to do a better performance? So he's like, I want to know Tamil itself. I don't even want to have that inhibition. So let me learn it. So that's the reason he takes a lot of pressure on himself to do something really good. That he's actually like taking the tension. Otherwise, like if it's like anybody else is that you just read it and go and perform. But that way, like someone so dedicated and someone who's already working on it for the last 1 month preparing and all that is brilliant. So that is really nice. Other than that, we couldn't bring them here. They have been little busy. The film has got a very good team. Otherwise, like actor Satyaraj sir is playing one of the very big characters who will be playing along with Vijay in this film. And actor Nazir is there in this film, and then other actors are also like from Telugu and Tamil. There are a lot of interesting actors in the film that are there. There's humor, there's comedian from Tamil, from Telugu, all that. It's a great team, and music is by this guy called Sam CS, who did this film called Vikram Veda with Vijay Sethupathi and Madhavan. So he has been critically acclaimed for the background score and the music, and it was a very big hit. And for him, it's a launch in Telugu also. So I'm sure somebody who's that appreciated there will be appreciated here also. So he's on board for music. So it's a great team that way. And for me, it's a completely different collaboration from my previous films also. So we're looking forward to doing something nice. I think genre of the movie வந்து நம்ம போஸ்டரோட வரும்னு சொல்லிடலாமா? Okay. So I had to check with my producer because we are coming up with the first look, which will come out very soon. We'll announce the date soon. So what we are trying to do is on the first look, you will have an idea about what this film is about. So what character he's playing. Yeah, with the title and everything is going to come out. So I think that will be more surprising for the audience. What stage by stage, or 3-4 days probably I think sir will announce which date we are going to do the first look. So we'll keep that surprise for now as to what it is.
నమస్కారం అండి. ఫస్ట్లీ అందరికీ మీడియాలోకి చాలా చాలా థ్యాంక్స్ ఇక్కడికి రావడం నుంచి. నేను చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉన్నాను. ఈరోజు నా న్యూ ఫిల్మ్ ఓపెనింగ్ అయింది విత్ యంగ్ సెన్సేషన్ అర్జున్ రెడ్డి విజయ్ దేవరకొండ. I got a chance to work with him about 2 months back, for the Holi song, and that time only, I had a wish that I wish I get to work with him because he's a very focused and a dedicated actor, and I'm really very happy that in his next film, I'm getting to work with him under Anand sir's direction, and I think my rebirth in Tamil with Studio Green bankrolling this Nyanvel Raja sir. So I really want to thank them for having that kind of faith in me, to get me on board for this film. And I think we all need all your blessings and good wishes for our project. And I hope that we are going to make this another big success, and reach another milestone. Thank you so much.
Hi, this is Bhumika.
Hi, నేను మీ కళ్యాణి ప్రియదర్శన్.
For all the latest movie reviews,
Latest gossip.
Latest updates.
subscribe
Please subscribe.
to IG Telugu.
subscribe to IG Telugu.